Also, I believe that because of Jibra, so we very much appreciate you, so also Jibra, also should be. Brother say, Mpensenpensemu, Ebro, and I'm just also why a crowd say also Ubehe, no wati na akwenye bema wati me de wajinche dia bra. Say happy birthday, Shunko Koma, Mame, Joyce, mommy, happy birthday, Unya Benny. I mean, saying Hamonos kwa for beba betojum Shunko. So Auntie Joyce, happy birthday, Sunko and Yede Emo. Well, the brighter side of life. I mean, Koson Cows and then do our dance also my happy birthday, and I wish you well. Ghana month, Marefi, say Ghana Adriane, Ghana and Tade, over by visiting Ghana, Miami be of interest. Be almost every region we have a tourist attraction site. It make sure so to me akonstra Jibril na home wa Ghana ha it's important Jibril na home wa Ghana ha na bibia enko farmer na the crack match ma half of four our regional minister George Boache Machia Wanope and the members of parliament your wisdom port Alaji Collins down than a potential presidential candidate Eric Opoku Machia Unyina. Well, in your bema, one say, Nimyan for a pious agide, one say, a tin in Kanache. I think after appointment, no, Ninumana Kodos, a tin in Kanache. I feel a potential member of parliament for Sujaman, and so, and a tea. Wakwaba. Hey, we say, we ready. Also, no about Fishapa, just over much. Afishapa. Well, the Bible call.
Adom, any more pipe.
Good. Bibiana, come. Now, Afinsu. Baby, our question is also asked to say.
Oh, Adom, Mpensenpensemu, Emaya Kwenya saying some Ghana Bebuno, National Youth Authority, Yasuya, Bebuno, Eye Denio, Omokanko, Eye. Ye dajene enti no nhihye ye bebre aba no efa babu no hono dodo na nkomodi yenso ye ka ho enso eka ho na ye kasa yi Ghana babu no yatide you start yesi adwuma yenim se nsanu adwuma eni ankrankra adwuma eye kwan ye betumi aboa na ebebu no agina omona so na ukobobosia wankasa wo tremopo no wo opepa no so be adwuma ukobobosia yesi fa edan krata sase krata ka krata ukonya ne hifa yenyi mpanyin bobu hono nyame adom wamma ye ompanyin bi owotima e wa badaya di ma babu no ntino ene you start aba ya hyase
you start ne wutrema obi na afro obi tie you start ne de
na ye nhihye ya aban de aba ye eso babu no obi a onya di 35 years 40 years yeso na sene o adwene tumupopa so be ye onu ankasa ne business wa train business proposal mpanyin ebehwemu na ya boa every sika ebetumi ya sika kete ti se 10,000 enu na ye kete ewo mu kra ye sika dada no 100 million akwa kosi 500,000 5 billion na enu no in capital investment enti mishia madam phobia oye Ghana bebu no a oye mash kenke na obehia industrial blender na you start ye ne say ye top blender no e de ma enu no heavy way na ye 500,000 5 billion no but from as low as 10,000 to 500,000 it means so wasene enu na ye you start no aban no yiri ne hu say 3 years e dey yenim sika botany 10 billion ebe remu calculation aya ye ne say ye benya enjuma 1 million every side intervention yimu na aboa na sa fa unkrata bra edan krata assassin krata no ye sa o hawo no ye yi e de free babu no so na yankasa ye betumi a share your business yase enche na ya be yeti say
okay so what start ye mo ojuwa na share say that initiative share say no petrol is saying mo adanse bi o nipa bi ma on de mo ho abebo mo ho aba mfa so kese
sanity ya pilot to implementing agencies no NEIP baby amenu akofi ofosu any Ghana Enterprises Agency yenu aba kosi Yankee na National Youth Authority there yena ye nhihye no we are the policy agency of state ya yehwe bebunu ye die eso enti yenso ye steering committee of the Youth Secretariat no ho ne mum ebase yebeji sika no yebase ebema wontiti na ye ne die ekire dia na NEIP but we be say me na me ma example baako efa enjuma National Youth Authority Ministry of Youth and Sports any impenyi a bebunu ye die da yakoma so esa ye adwuma ye no eho ensusu aso eni mfaso baako na maka kirewu yen youth resource centers ya binum friend no stadium a CCCC so no who say aban bie ni Ghana oba oye ne a akufo ado ni MPP aban ye ma Ghana bebunu ye si youth resource centers ni binum friend no stadium ye si makomako 10 across the country nano a ye din centre for multimedia ha obi edi echi edi handanse no uko axim sese ya ye wi anesa tatan track abefoot de pa for the first time in the western region youth resource center yes here wa axim e wo horses ya meni ukasai wa yegusu ho koforidia donkwa onofin doma ahinkro timakumako 6 out of the 10 on the average 80% complete aka no krenya mienim Accra de one of Kaneshi ya office Azuma Nelson aka nyine hini aka yendi eni na vrongo ye nhihia ya ye ni say yenya wie sa 6 ya mede kan eka say eno no work is very advanced no yenya wie pe ye de ya honde ni nyina ekogu 4 na aka no so na ye wie ebi nsi da enti no Ghana bebu no yate de ye da yewura adodankwa akufo ado eni MPP aban asese wo mudi nhihye pia ba ebua Ghana bebu no suku fees tua ye free ho allowances ana ye dadwene baako guarantor system ye free ho eni nema bebre enti Ghana bebu no di asida na ye de bema otwedi ampon se woyi mose papa akufo ado eni MPP aban
Okay. All right, so back to your Sojaman Common and Sani, what's really happening in the system. But your life, also Yako, Sunkokra, your life, you've paid your dues. Emma Bronha for Satam, Bronga for an Aebono, into your life designs or Sunyane Omami, Eradiaton Safran. The late Vida Equia Anane, the reference Auntie Ole. Nami adma the 31st of this month you need to Mpem one residence or Penkwase New Doma Sunyana semna making 6 p.m. ekopim 8 p.m. na yakopen krabia ewo sekwa private burial ya ekopen krabia honom na fe yebusunya betenase ewo Jubilee Park Sunyane 1 p.m. na ya hihye ho nkran na ya no musikasa na fe ya boaboa eno ya hihye ho den so your life uni unuanum nyina no mema mukuse na mema mo shedin so the question dance ye betenase ewo the late Vida Equianane the residence ewo new Penkwasi New Doma Sunyan asem na make ye kwaba ye ba that's the discussion we need to have the good the bad and the ugly on this matter of say yama 6 ministers atimi abaka na nado danko akufo-addo amemo no ho to continue in their words the good jobs of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as against the opposition the NDC Edemaye for a very stiff opposition Edemaye Ekodusa Mpensenpensemu. What really was the problem? Yakwaba yebe di sankomo now I say my mention chairman Alote Jacobs na mention Guy G and wa also our Jibre Oshe. Your life, oh sister, how Sunyane. Nami adma memenda, I'm joining you. Ne kope ma ne krabia makache so me kokai enkudi like your life echi onini nuanom na omunti me kokata omoma me echi kra. We are back to the studio. Hear him say Lawyer Chumberima NDC Obabeka Nsana Afia to enkoba. Meanwhile, Pius Enam Hajide CEO National Youth Authority so yenene etwetwe enkomo medical culture say a potential member of parliament for the Sojaman constituency. Watch this space. A brother so a bed die word. Anyway, before I become no of interest, Ghana for the donor. That better move to Mabano.
Wofa ne dika mami ensanchia na minchia Adom TV ahwefo nyina na no pay titru mpeso so efo na no hemfo eni amanfo a yewo esojaman every enumbo so a betwemu atimpoku senche akosombo agina dono ekosi enyase electoral area meche obi a minim se ye hono yetai ehwe Adom TV pa etie da bia meko me ko na me ba omo emane me nkra se yenchia ntino esojaman for echia papa unim say esojaman ebetumi amana be ye the tourism destination center of choice
esojaman
uhwe niama ewo esojaman a endorse mpo ewa Africa rail over river bridge na ye no eyade a nkrofo befri amanone abansahwe architecture kwan a akufo ado aye no edu bedi a architecture no efa fraw no so ewo yen
mo fan channel keteke ana architecture me mane mi rezo keteke
kwan no efa fraw no so ewo be
efa nsuo no so
obehu no se na edem nsuo no so
keteke no
I'm telling you onim se dam akosombo dam so ho na ewo unim say bridge akese wo atimpoku one of the earliest bridges any many tourism destinations hotels akese wo Ghana uhwehwe 1 2 3 a ubeba ye constituency no Royal Senche the bridge view peninsula akese enti adwuma wo say tourism e dey buy ye constituency no wo say etumi hwe na ye nhihye ye pa na ebebunu enye mfaso ewo mu yasase no so eye nsuo so na da ho no nti irrigation kwayo ayade a wo se ye fa no fula because nsuo se nsuo to se nsuo antompo etumi twi nsuo efifra no mu na ye de adwuma nti no nananom so aye krado omo ne ye di nkomo ne ehia ne se ye benya okamafo bi a obeka yasem ama to mpanyin asom o hwe ye kwan a every esikuma junction enam enum eko boso ekwan no ya hyase de be contractor no wo se ye ne di nkomo na ye nwie sa nkwan no ntem sanso na akosombo aginaje kete kwan no so wo se etumi ye ne nyina no wan ene be kebi e de amai so jaman enu nti na mpanyin eye omadwene se etumi nya abrantie bi a owo ahombrase ewo tima ewo odo e de manipa mpo yansuma no yamano tumi mpo ono ankasa etiti ne morie na odebua ti se pious na magide dia ende emre no dura na yasoma no na wakogina yanamu enti ofa wuti ya eye nokre
alright
eye nkomo a ehase eba yesu ye bo ho mpa ye ni enuanom busuanfo eni amanfo esusu ho emrepemu ye di ye anudi announcement eba betudwa na momu sa weekend me kofie na mamifa kwenya isu na minda impenyi amuda yen MPP amanyoko na no titru ewo enum zone yen penyi mbako owura obesi ayisi openyi edi yenim o party no mu papa between 2001 and 2009 onuna na oye yen second vice constituency chairperson na Saturday atwemu na ye neye na polling station for ye nhihye electoral area coordinators Mira awete redu dodo na friend nzoa Mr. Otu eni minua aki eni police station executives ayewo apenkwa amanfro eni amanda ewo enum ye da omasipa oma hihye dwumadie ne kama na ye papa no yetinanim emma obi ehun se udi wakuma eni opepa esum amanyoko MPP a edrusu a party no so ebegina wo eni wabusia enso echi sanso na akomoma wura odinu kwafo akoto the third asi the PSC enkomano nano ewa adontin akwema adontin asase so omo yen hihye omo ankasa o timamofo no etito momore ye ba besi multi-purpose state of the art Youth Resource Center. Ni nyina no yen manwura nana odi ne ho na edi n'ani onyam ebeta adwumadie n'echi nana mankrado nana dede akwe eni apegusu manhima a osan ye akwemu adonte hima ono so nana odra ni nyina womu edi omani onyam ebeta adwumadie na echi apegusu man eye oman bi a sebi se ba no asafo adwuma eni to ho acha womu ye shining example me ametumi di ho dance here na ye wo bridge kese bi wo kro no mu lead to apegusu secondary school kra ama bridge no be say ye frɛ ya boafo bi amba womu di tu manim no me yi me botom sika se kwakɔ yes bridge no ye duru ho no nipa impenyo emrenwa wo akola obi apre fifie ya na ye bridge no ya nkasa apegusufo ya nkasa na ye yes bridge no ye fundraising anu say ye pese yesi Youth Resource Center kitwe bi so ye fekeke ye tumi raise sika ye di ba be shedwuma nase answer na ye ntwense se bi aban embe ye bibia ya nkasa ye de si yesre so a ye wo gidie se akufo ado ni MPP aban ebe peja na omo de si ye triso nti ye da sampenyin
for no nyina also to walk you through all this but most importantly the men amoma ba na beba so
party mpenyin ebe ye nhihye National Council na no General Secretary de nkrata beto abontin se wo mu eye consultation ba media mesre se channejo muma yenye hakakra na titu bebia ye ni mrahyebeduafo se die mrahyebeduafo ni bebia ye wo mrahyebeduafo ne die se bi ye wo leaders wo hodada vacuum bi en shede ni hosa bebebi ti say sojaman bebi ti say constituencies bebrea ye ni MPs e wo ho no say wo senka yenye ntem na yen start juma ntem na yentumi touch ni pano no mu hu adwuma pa nye party no nkuya nipa obegina party na na musu eye na mimi we erehemu se enche party mpenyimfo ebesi nkonwa na omaye sa nhihye no
so you are for Kennedy Japan or Dr. Baumia or Alan Chemanti which you are for
pacho omoye
flag bearer
there be nyandru ho cry of a train
but ideally if we say
I'm for the party
just like the 2-4 said nipa obetimi ama party edin kunim
omudoso we party no mu papa
so ideally
omu betimi ama edin kunim no Dr. Baumia ka ho Alan Chemantin ka ho Kennedy Japan ka ho former Greek minister ka ho
so in that MPP, order that is what you do in that MPP, order in that order
ye ade ame kan keke enu kra me wie yo me see se open mema ni ma pa oman no ho do eni enimdia no wo ho a yetumi chichiri na Ghana asan atumpo akonanim chen bebia ye wo sese ye wo bibre wo ho
so you subscribe to the fact that it's obvious said Dr. Baumia na obedin kunim you subscribe to that
Dr. Baumia abone ho modi wo ye party adwuma sanso na mpanyin bebre so aye mesi wo mumu na ye bo ye ti omudin ni nyina no emre no duru a MPP for no emfa ye ndi agro wan hwe ye kra ye betumi aye nhihye e bi kra abato no kra obehwe na yakwa akoye se osimesi na obintim bi aka abomu omukọ ye ho ahomti ye nim amanyo ye nti se bi ye nuanom ye du so amecheche mu akirawo enti mampamerika de nya de amede me pekura
but you will not be bothered if you will not be bothered if Akutwafie is the person in the chair
me see anami body no omo ameka so mbetumi aye no se me bonidin
but top line and Dr.
Baumia delegate for ambeto aba across all the polling stations bakumaku 555 and beto aba no mimi wo gidie e wo mumu omu bie a mbeyi e dia maye no against sebi true kana na no yeti hu no de wofa enkunimdie kese pa etwen MPP for
okay so the former president John Dramani Mahama says the voting pattern by the members of parliament on President Akufo-Addo's 6 new nominees was out of parochial and personal interests. This comes on the back of the approval of all the 6 ministerial nominees by the president on Friday, March 24, 2023, through secret balloting in the chamber. At the end of secret voting, we all know Kwabena Tahir, Katie Hammond, we all know Brian, we all know Asamoah Boateng, we all know what the results were, and the NDC as a party is really not happy. So what did the trick? Munyumapa relationship or obvious defiance of what the NDC wanted to achieve in Parliament?
Over. Asemi here papa. Se na Ghana ni bi na dwene eye no ntanta se abana ye kwakotu 2024 minim ebia mekwakotu ama NDC o ebia mekwakotu ama John Mahama ye binumu na ye tuonfu se ebeye disaster for this country nanka obi eda ho ewosa tibie no mu ansana ene sankomo ya yedina. I'm sure that by today no when who that the NDC and former President John Dramani Mahama, they present nothing but confusion, a clear and a present danger to the sanity of our Ghanaians. Na semua papa ne kaye no enye sebi kasa nanka wo se free penyan no eba. But NDC impenya sebi enne NDC kura womo eni womo niye eni womo kasa no eche se womo no patapa class 1 eno mo pe patapapa eno mo pe womo fa Ghana mra eni hihye emfa nyehwe ni womo susu se embremu se yebefa kwan papa so e de ayo se yedi obuo e de ayo se yedi emra e de ayo de omo fa boga enye soan debi da na yebi no mu start kan ye nsenkyerefo wo fa mi kan se mo mayem bie ye ni na yenhwe ne ebeyi edi sebi atore nkyem bi na eba ye man mu Ghana na yesusu se agro na ye die ene ye didi MPC atem because wo makoto wo makuma so eni nia wo mu constituency fo no aka kire wo moto aba no sa no te no penyimpa o hwe nim se obedi party na no hwe sebi nyado hwe kasafia o ka fan penyimfo yi ho wo se wo mu selfish interest wo mu ndwini obi aho wo mu dwini wo mu amu na this is it nanka former president Mahama o pese MPs no eman o mu ndwini Ghana fo ho na o mu ndwini onu nkwa eho na enu ambe mu nte no wo de abufuo afide dapatwa atemdidie kasantwi nsemfi na ebeka e dia fa members of parliament akukudamfo pa o bebia na wankasa o political journey no e ho na start here but check tie kasa ye ka fa sampenyifo yi ho boni be na omaye ye womra na kire se wo mampenyi wo so tumi se wo mampenyi bia o e wo so tumi se mre no dura obe eyi asuafo na oma ada ministries ya wono susu se ebebua na memu eni nini so ade hunu awowo edi ma oman no wa cheche asuaye ni different na onu be paw nipa na ye paw nipa na ye di anko parliament ya tutu oman no ya state grounds for qualification ni ebetu bia ma wa be di minister se wabo konuda se wunyendri AGB se wuntumi nko member of parliament nchise ya yetumi gina so ka se wudie unsem fata no ne nyina wo mremu enti no yentutu wano e wasa asem no ho na ye wia members of parliament enkire o madwene e wo ho e na ye ye o manpanyi dadao sebi Ghana for amfa tumi anhye ne nsan wo onu ti ni beebi onu no se nia onu pe no embremu onya manpanyi ye to tumi no mpo yen say yen nyamfa ema no but onu pese wonyi minister sukura asesi aye kasei na sa papa ya yamfa tumi ama no ni yenie na say di tumi ma no dia ende ofa atade a wo sei yeti uti studio na ya frɛ say ya atade ro ho because sisi ano ade na kwakoye say ni tumi mpo aye ni no kran we want to exercise it na wo nya atwuma wo mu ne say na no ura John Dramani Mahama na penso 2012 ye kan nipa wo Ghana na ye dodo ti say 25 million over na ye wo region makumaku 10 ene ye kan nipa 2021 na no ye free every 21 million no ye da 25 million no ye da 31 million and na me ni uka say ye was 16 regions me bua akasa me bua Mahama pensu na onu ene nyatwumu asem na me kan yo e ho na me hyase na onu eyi ministers maku 85 with 25 million people with 10 million with 10 regions 85 ministers 25 million Akufo-Addo ye ka say wo 86 ministers 31 million 16 regions 86 ministers as compared to Urajan Muhammad 85 million uti utikopa na ni de ne sundodo because na dwene ne say eye ndada kasa o Ghana for warefi enti muma yen kengumu wo family wi adwene say obi be ka say yen hwe na aban sika public expenditure emrafem na me say obi kire wo say eye ministers 6 na ye power mo enu na be ma government expenditure na ba fam a me say sini hu nipa no bua ebia onim ne oka unim say Brian Achampo jacket ya dada unim or your member of parliament unim say Dr. Aminanta o jacket ya dada obi amua omunyina jacket ya dada enti cost be no muken ministers na wo mu resign na omampanyin edi fufuro ebe mu no cars na wo twe no anyenye bi omo de car no kofie debi car no wo ministry ho eno ana afufuro na omo ko no omo akwakotina ho akonwa na ewo ho no eno ana minister no kwakotina so ka fufuro ewo mu no ne ewe hin e ka fufuro na ewo mu no ne ewe hin eyenya atwom misi upa NDC ni bi emfa krata embe kirewu say ye 6 ministers na ye kana savings to the state ni enunie there's no savings asembe no muka no misi Akufo-Addo nia wa ye krampo a ye bidumu aye ye nije kra wo mu ni say wonu the cost of running the public office no of what is double salary sinka e wo Akufo-Addo apenso Jo Mahama o ye mampanyin na minister woji busumi bia oji aketua mienu woji MP aketua so differently na wasan ji minister aketua o de ni sanction de demefo enya hwe han sa bone no ene krono na ekoso o na penso mimi kodi ade na no nim se na be deputy minister me see say public expenditure minister ko tu kwan a oni say business class o modeko business class na akwantu baako echen obi salary ebe ya be 3 months akwantu baako na se ye wa ban emumu a onunu bebia sika na nkasa drainage no seepage no bebia ewo no ye hwe nkrata so aye calculation what is say Akufo-Addo what the nhihye aba say board members mpo entu kwan bi mam upa me the evidence ba be kire wo ye nuanu mo ndisi for apenso board members akwantu ye tu kwan na ye the board member be 3 e di akọ board member na oya advisory keke wo enye onu na da adwuma na no board members akwantu okrampo ye di huka e kire wo a be ye wanwa these are the critical areas of important savings not political gimmick ya ye say oh mumayen kem bibingumu na Ghana for no they say ministers no nyina yaka apart from honorable Stephen Asamoah-Boate omu nyina akra no they are already on government payroll omu ji aketu adada ebia marginal top up 300 cedis and say 400 cedis bi and that's all enti no wonsu na yesu yin it is not genuine in any case we are looking for results wofa even with the 85 ministers that John Mahama had ebani say na cholera ku nipa na penso e won cry cholera ebani say na keteke kwan ya ime ka wa sami Mahama ntumi anye bi adentra ebani say na want to be anye free SHS ebani say na want to be restore allowances to nursing trainees and teacher trainees ebani say enti obi aba na nani abre na ohia insa dodo e de adwuma na unu wusi de bi yentin koda na yenfa yensa hye yedemrefemu even at the time yen here agric minister ye wo nsotobre you me ye ekua force omadwuma se minister na obehwe na ye fertilizer kraba na ye de adwuma no Mahama ne ndesi force muma yemiemu yenso Ghana ban no yenso muhwa yen pusa no na fertilizer mpo a Ghana for ebedi adwuma no fertilizer kora no e ma ne bedu ntem na ahokyere ba oman no mu a na ye fe kira beka se oh ahokyere wo ho nti muntu aba entia NPP fo enti NDC for ni ye bia is not grounded in the love of our country Ghana wo mu de se kwa ombefa so enya tumi no mope afi de adani adapetwa eni atem didie against their own members of parliament. But only the members of parliament of the NDC, the heroes, who stood up to the tyranny. Na ya to me I wouldn't mean MPA nkofo eto abama wo mu ama wo to me say omo nko kire wo madwene e wo mudimu mumuti nkra ha in the revolutionary rambo style no wuti NDC headquarters wuti wo private office e wo chado wo kire MPA nkofo to abama wo mu ni omo nko akoye na nano ye koye speaker election e ba ne sen na NDC ni awa bin ewo mremu onim najuma nso advance man Kingsford Bagbin e ba ne sen na obeye speaker enye obi na tuma no na ye tuma no wie no wo atem didi a Owurajo Mahama ADNDC for MPC atem no uti bi wa MPP mu and show the difference between the NPP its leadership and the NDC and its leadership. Now we muyefuye muya wofa na mukoto aba edi masa confusion for ya due
lechu wakaba
my mejoso facha me say
oh very unusual of you.
Yeah, so very unusual.
We can overlook it, but your party people might not agree.
Well, I mean, once you have it's very unusual.
Your time is always 7.
Thank you.
Thank you. I was wondering.
And I'm saying, me see, maybe I'm finding when I'm me nam home na me who say they were blocking some roads.
Yeah.
The road was very packed. Makodi won say to be any
okay.
And the parents and to go left, right, center, right, front, back, side. But
so Akwaba.
Yeah.
I'm sure your weekend was good.
You're fine, sir.
What happened to my positioner, Moteki, and very worrying if maybe this information I had was true.
Okay.
That the flag bearer of your party, the former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, had to gather them 4 days to the voting to talk to them about the relevance of why they should not attempt to endorse the 6 people. That Isika Semko Atri. And yes, more how tia enipa na ye control so abano. Nemum, it is an opportunity to speak to Nanado Danko Ekufu.
Very good.
What I said, ye obeti eye nipa do na woman. So the president spoke to them. The president spoke to them, and according to the information, made them meet kasa. So support to halfway in terms of their filing fee.
Oh, what you
oh, wadaroma, mami ntimi mbusa no. Okay. And then the party's position through the general secretary.
Yeah.
And then in parliament too, the minority leader, his readiness and preparedness. When I brief press statement stating that they are ready to ensure they will take that position that Ghanaians, a lot of Ghanaians are all hoping. For us to also only to witness that 157, 168, 168, 98. What happened? What really happened?
All right. Thank you very much, Omahine. You see, the position of the party hasn't changed, and it will not change. The position said government should downsize. It is relevant today to be relevant tomorrow, to be relevant the next day. Do you know why? You can't say some no more see you can't quasi some sebi. You can't say being see that. But when we say even the Western world decided to toe the same line and year tone. Western world name for Germany. Me no say in the diplomatic circles. And mind me, no, say woman a country like China, a good relationship, Germany and then Russia. It was a one bob bonny on mine or to mine to a good. Omo mind be a catcher, Russia don't want to make because it's a movie as a bit about wedding. So they have to speak to Germany to come in. Okata Germany, who saw to the German ambassador back at Kuma, was sick one no cross to sing Ghana number 1. If one nipa does guys in Ghana number 2, now so I buy one nipa one more one, yeah, the other zero.
But you know, great.
And for that reason, you know, they are urging the government. That's all person will be more. Mouse soon buying interest we hear more. Now, do you know better than the German ambassador?
Yes.
You don't know better than him.
Nothing.
You don't know better than him. Okay, so the point is that as someone you can't any different there is no difference. Except he's telling me something Ankasa. So Ankasa that fair, name was so Kansadia. Then it is relevant today, relevant tomorrow, relevant the next day. Man, remember not be able to do across even as I was driving. I did a very simple test. This is Coastal Development Authority. On website, Anna maybe. Of course, see, you know how many people they have as chief executives? They have 3 deputy CEOs and 1 CEO. Making 4. For what reason can you tell me that this is relevant to do? Oh my, a sector agency, an institution, it could have 3 deputy CEOs. Are we serious as a country? So you are telling me that you can't run a Coastal Development Authority with 1 CEO and deputy. 8 million. You need 3 more deputy CEOs. What can say Coastal Northern any medal but Bumwa? Could 10. 10. Are we going forward as a country? So what we are saying is that we need the government to listen. Tell me which one has not come through. Yeah, but I catch a ban we say. A bravo bossica was sending the Bobby, and one way you would be able to be a chimba. No, must see a cancer. The World Bank came to tell them again. The World Bank came to tell them. The same World Bank, Penimba, Ebakase, 2020 was say, I don't want to pass a World Bank near IMF Timmy Beckham. At the policy reference a debt suspension initiative by. So a man who do a came and covered the payment 2020 payment. I must subscribe to their policy and suspend them debt. These people in government recklessly refused to join that policy. I'm a one about what I say. He's very surprised that Ghana and even Nigeria failed to subscribe to that initiative. Now, some few years after, 2 years after that policy, 2021, they opened it for 1 year. The following year, 2022, now we have some more IMF to go and seek for bailout. Are you serious? Now back to the issue in Parliament. As you rightly indicated, it's not about the fact that young person nipping never be maybe I'm not can be. Was it OBM with learn that we didn't pay that? Can he sit here and tell me, say, a deputy minister and a minister still take the same salary? It's never the case. It's never the case. Pius, what did the deputy minister pay? If you have been promoted to a minister of state, your salary and everything as a minister of state and the deputy minister, it will never be the same. It's okay to say OBM or I would die in any case. Or mine. You have got the same minister now OBM one. Then go to the 2 as minister of state, right? Sorry, as minister of local government. And I would the deputy back what pigeon say my minister of state. And then he still has about 2 deputies or so. Oh my question maybe is very simple. Is it like said then go to Abre? I want to me. It's the Yemen minister of state Abe one. Maybe sir. Because we have had that very same ministry in the past.
Minister of State now.
It's like a junior minister.
More appointed to more no me there.
Send the question. So local history more. Oh my sir, position minister of state started under Kufuor's government. The very first time
I'm saying that more a beneficiary of a minister of state in charge of XYZ.
Yeah.
I'm asking, say, do we have to take a position as a country, say, minister of state?
Scrap. Very good. See, scrap. Because to me, no. So we said local government that we any finance ministry. Now what's the minister of state, second minister? Is it because the minister cannot perform, or why? Okay, so minister make why do you need another minister of state to be in that ministry? One minister, I want 2 already deputies did that.
Special functions,
any special function. And a minister about say be a budget.
Maybe they will be assigned by the president to do certain things.
Oh, you know, the Ukraine about property. Who could ministry wha? Minister no hono. Who said you man the one am pendiation in Sanamo. It is obi over one be one the better.
So if you have, for instance, in this particular one,
it be a finance.
If you have a mini pay, this young man as Sobuachi.
Yeah.
And then we have Mimi Krum this year, Frida Prempe.
As deputy minister?
No, as minister of state in charge of housing at the presidency or whatever. And then as Sobuachi, minister of
works and housing.
So what you know?
I didn't go me and Negman anything. So it's a kind of size on the Titisua. Among the Yanka one inch. If the man was spreading now be duplicating anyone and new portfolio say creating new the work can still go on well.
Okay.
Because it be a spring.
So look at that position.
Look at that position. That is the point. That's why I said wow can what the mama say. And na ban nyam pesa ban be ko nanim. Na mom ya pesa ban tinsem bia man for ka number 1. Na ban ne hunu se enwu hia said the numbers ni bia wode adwuma no betete so. Because adwuma ni bia what duplicating nkwa ba na fa so bia ni so. Se some portfolios ni wa say adwuma be na so perfectly. Let's go back to President Kufuor era. Or even under President Mahama administration in 9 coming. Now you were Dr. Dufo as finance minister. You were Setekwe as deputy, Fifi Kweti as deputy. There was nobody called Minister of State in that ministry. So what I say?
Yeah.
When President Mahama took over, there was Setekwe as minister, and then Monacote and I think Minka, the second person, as deputy ministers.
Rickett
Hagan, thank you. So what I say? As deputy ministers, there was somebody called Minister of State. Many in Sami Nanta, where I'm a teacher, I was the petroleum economics. I like him very well. He's very good. Many in Sam. Now, they say, even when I heard say your man stood in there finance, I was like, why would you take Amin Nanta to finance? Because energy that one, you wouldn't expect to be among the team in the He was the only expert among them. It's who for the from an apocryphal and a Amin Nanta now. Because the ministry is an ministry, we are technical person to lead the team. But among the 4 it goes to see as 3 deputies and 1 minister. None of them is an energy expert. None of them. Except Amin, who was a petroleum expert. Okay? Meanwhile, no expert in your for not go to finance. And you do be a person and I have a crap of a person and I ministry. Or mine, you must have 3 deputy ministers at energy. And yet one away. Could I check the 3rd one portfolio? Yes, so in charge of finance and administration. Meanwhile, that portfolio is a civil service portfolio. Because there's a director of finance and administration in the ministry. So what I say? Civil service portfolio. But we need not to change what we say. And someone here can, those MPs who decided to tilt their army to a different line, aside what the other police were doing. You see, you need to understand something. There's a rule that goes like the utilitarian rule, which is said the other one acre. To the best of my understanding, majority of the NDC MPs kasachira ban said there oh ye no need any kwan anam so still ye ne nyo yet and because ye won nipa ba ko menu miensa bi a wo take a different line. The party has spoken. The party's position is clear.
The party's position is not clear.
It's very clear.
Brian Achampon 16798.
And I'm saying the party has spoken.
But that's your representatives in parliament.
They will also be spoken to at the right time.
How do you know?
Say
we assume see no bento.
Now what you catch me say what to say as a meeting because and a meeting
I want
and
to certify that.
What's what to say as a meeting because meeting now won't be.
Debbie.
But that team was don't worry about that. They will be known. And their delegates are going to speak to them at the right time. So they are going to go on premise.
Now, why are you hard on people who maybe understood certain situations better?
What situation?
I mean, why is the NDC
hard? What situation did they understood better than any other person? And they say
who did not believe in what Namokan?
So yeah, can't say abandoning downsizing the government.
Who didn't believe that? Who didn't believe? Say they have to be stooges.
Who is going to be a stooge? Who is going to be a stooge?
Say Pacho we are training na. Say
is that their argument? Is that their argument?
It could be.
No, but is that the argument?
So why do you want to crack that whip where you don't have that power to crack it?
Then why should even in the chamber the Musuka we have been as the chief whip on the or one line more. Then and I know but then I know what is that if that's the argument. Okay? Because there we Shanan we are can for that by. The party, some members of the MPP, about 86 or so, 85 or so, they decided on one line. Some cowards couldn't join them. Those 85, 86 need to take an entrenched position. Some of them are still standing by their position anyway. A bit more falling out. But some are still standing by their position. That can should go. Okay? Upon those calling nation, you had the party coming out with something.
But more worried as a party.
It's the same.
Say, Momo, the Nkamo person,
oh, have you read the party statement? What kind of party statement I the buy?
General
Secretary,
General Secretary, or did that and Kofobiati for not betraying the cause, which I feel was very unnecessary. I mean,
what is not necessary about your kind?
But what's necessary about you singling?
What is also not necessary about it by me telling you so mine? So me who is out you we are be say no, you have had more time to speak. Relax. Question. Me na me question. Me na question.
Na me
Mr. General Secretary, thank you for not betraying the cause. Thank you. You are deepening the challenges you want to have within the party. So, penny due, mate. But rather, your strategy will be helpful.
And penny force you penny or treffish man quada and measurement quada win and can you boon and carry for account because you quadana win and one country.
About Nankano who Nankano work on and carry for no. In this case, who did that to the NDC?
Mine.
98, you know.
I have told
against
you.
167. Who did that?
Some way you are no has here. Who said Messi said the ultimate year, what is a Mahaman go for a meeting? I won't end this member, when you end this and be ultimate year. Over the end here.
Let me say, President, more fun.
It's Mamma never got out. What I say? Mamma never got out. Say, my meeting, honey. Now say, he didn't tell you, but you heard it from whatever source.
So you're on a hunting spree to ensure that the part of we are studying that
you fish them out. Now we don't even know them. So one TD and just be in the we don't know them.
It's more fishy out.
Oh, my me say, hey, Chenye. Akuko, want to be doing more to be doing to the independent head. Any me what? Emposo to see Zumba, yeah, but because to the 2 years. Every nice year. So much to better my one more to the sea, so I said I could go to the Kosia. Silence, I'm telling you here. Read my lips and mark my words. All right? So don't be bothered. Me say, those people will be known.
All right.
Those people will be known. And even as I'm sitting here, I'm no because I say, so what kind of spirit and the letter of the General Secretary, you can read it between the lines. Say my modi and just a minimum woman and say I am on show host. We know. Nabotella. I know what's up with them. Is it another I'm talking?
Oh, over up, Jay.
Now what around about 40 minutes?
The kind of constituency. The kind of I say, Jaman. But if I don't see one, I don't know. So from here, what's the party going to do? That's
a party nego.
Oh, Debbie.
Oh, now where party? Oh, party. I would you losing bonus. We Falbera, presumptive paragraph, Nakasa, a friendly pa, at the Mudian, you know what you are. So young, as a man, now they mean I am a William Show. What I mean, I sit in a political party. You see, well, when I miss one, what's been better than that? Teo, Minamiso, right? What I mean, I miss one. You can have ideas.
Okay, compare what you can have idea.
Aha, mami ya no kura. No
tire say.
No tire say.
I don't work in the
na so say bi ya no ana.
Me case me on na me.
Na so ni e party mo.
He is the host.
He's the one interacting. Can offer that so good. The NPP has demonstrated that
leadership.
But you know,
no.
Leadership.
Job good was
because they
you to me see
money making the point. Money making the point. I'm man.
Mo NDC no come to be managing. Na mo si ya fa gana man.
One person should be ya. Ya put your body bugani bia.
Wadaro. Ya bugasem. Kawasem. Na buga. That is na mo pe bugasa.
About 85 or 86 people. Within a, you see, here is the case. 86 people. Boldly, Oma Babonti, Abekase. Hey, 4 minutes and Mamon wrap up because but this is 4 minutes to go. Just no, if I go that to a minute, I'm saying that 86 comes out to say, and what happened? And the party comes to say, oh, there be Mommy Common. And as a president,
was the party able to sing the same?
Now, be question and answer. We know answer.
The party wasn't able to sing that hymn because they are cowards. I started to tell you. Menisinia, I say, or that MP Batra. And my make can they are cowards. MPP can never sing that hymn as their MPs. Set the MPs on position MPs not take second for should go. Can should indeed be removed. One would mean can be that one what tell me can be. He can't say it. But NDC was brought to speak to a single line, and majority of our MPs told that same line. What are you talking about? They are never the same.
Solo man.
They are never the same.
Solo actually MP before NDC for. They
are never the same.
Wofa.
Solo man, I didn't.
Some people back on NDC.
And I catch him.
I see your papa.
Wofa.
Ebe do wa ba so pa.
Menya council. Emi say bufu no da ho woni mo. Because me tie no pa, sia na mention no da. But the nepa de na se be sisi so. Eye me say eye bufu no e na ma say ade no adani akasa. Enti omo ka no because you see had the eno na wo say ujitum so ade ya haye. Yamhwe ya we betumi agu ye party ne momu tie me ba ne momu tie so council tie ne momu no yemfrɛ empanyin ewo fie council of elders sef na empanyin fo no jo mahama mu ene asedun ketia no fifi kwetemu no yentu omunfu na omunsisa omunniye baby omu ko no de omu akasa etwi omu ho
akose form
che utekrema wia uwina mbia wo enti so ufu se mu targeti NDC MPs ni phobia enti no yenimo mu na yebesi primary se ba utwa utekrema wia uwina mbia waka bibi mami wo see Germany ambassador mami nchiro mimi su ande kakra e wo Gummersbach Germany.
Okay,
the size of the German government is not is larger.
Did he say that
mami mano naka o mi mawu education ba ko mienu bi
mama